Hello everyone, so today in this video we will see how we can install WordPress in a Namecheap shared hosting. So I already added a domain in this Namecheap hosting. If you want to learn about how to add a domain, then you can watch my another video, link in description. So to install WordPress, we need to go to the WordPress button in the soft colors and installer options. So here you can see this WordPress toolbar, and there below you can see the install now button. So just click on it, select your version like HTTPS and www, or without HTTPS, without www, anything you want, and then select your domain. Okay, so like that. Also from here you can select the WordPress version, then select not select enter your admin username and then admin password. Okay, so let me create a strong password here. Yes, that's it. Also you can select admin email from this box here. Also you can change these settings later. Also then in advanced option you can give a database name. This is not necessary, but you can give if you are using with multiple websites. And at the end just click on install now button. Okay, so it will take less than 30 seconds. Yeah, install now. So now go back to cPanel and check the SSL, if the SSL is installed on this website or on this domain or not. So WordPress is already installed, and let us check for the SSL. Okay, yes, the status is in progress. So as you can see that SSL will take up to 25 minutes. So it will be installed within 25 minutes. Please allow up to 25 minutes for SSL activation. So subscribe our channel for more videos like this, and you can ask any questions if you have in comment box. Thank you.